Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote your GoDaddy website in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to promote your websites, whether you are running like a blog, an online store, or even a business site. Promoting it effectively can help you reach more people and achieve your goals. So make sure to follow this guide to promote your GoDaddy website in 2024. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video. Simply, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave, or you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, make sure to go and access GoDaddy. Go to the URL section, type godaddy.com, hit the enter button, and make sure to sign in into your GoDaddy website. If it's your first time, instead of your username here, you'll find the sign in option. And down here, sign up if you don't have an account. Make sure to click on whatever suits you. And of course, you'll be able to use a Google account, Microsoft, and Facebook accounts if you don't want to get through all the steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Of course, now it's time to go first of all and access the website that you want to promote. So for me here, I'll just go to my username, click on my products right here. And here, as you can see, I'll find my websites right here. So all I need to do, simply I'll go to, I don't know, maybe this one, this blog, why not? I'll go to the site. And yeah, here I'll scroll down, click on edit website to access the website builder. So as you can see here, like your premium trial has ended. Yeah, I'll just stay on free. So here is an example. Once I created my website, and of course it's published and everything, it's time to promote it. So how can we promote it? The first step that you'll need to do, make sure to optimize your websites for SEO. What is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. SEO is the key to make your website discoverable on Google. It will appear first if your SEO is high. So, as an example, I'll just go here and open and type like, I don't know, maybe clove. Why not? I just type clove. As an example, what is the first thing appearing here? Clove from this website. Second one is Wikipedia. Third is this one. So why does that website appear before this Wikipedia, or why does Wikipedia appear before that? This is because of SEO ranking, or search engine optimization ranking. It's actually the key to making your website discoverable. So in your GoDaddy website, you will need to go to your site and optimize it for SEO ranking. There are a lot of videos on how to do that because it's a whole other universe. It's basically, I'll just try to summarize it. Basically, you'll have to fill in the meta titles, descriptions, and keyword for each page. You'll have also to use some relevant keywords in your content, headings, and URLs to ensure that your site is mobile friendly also, not just PC friendly or desktop friendly. And of course, it should load quickly to improve your SEO ranking. As an example, I'll just go here to the dashboard and I'll just go and access the site again. So which one? It was this one. So if I go here, scroll like, just go and quit this. So if I go here and scroll as an example, you'll even find on GoDaddy some marketing options, like if you want to post this on social media to get more traffic website, if you want to send out some email campaigns to get people to know your site, if you want to create your first blog, and if you want to get found on Google, as you can see, to enhance search engine optimization. I guess there's an option to do it like maybe automatically for you, but it will require premium. So you'll need to get a premium plan to get that. As an example, if you go here to marketing, SEO, as an example, steal the spotlight with SEO. So as an example, instead of your website appearing down there, it will appear at the top. So if you click here as an example, you need to first of all pay a plan. And basically they'll optimize everything for search. No SEO knowledge required. It's good if you don't have no SEO knowledge. As you can see, you'll just get suggestions for high value and personalized keyword to put on your website, and you can track your ranking, monitor your website's ranking on over time. So make sure to upgrade, give them a call, and upgrade your plan so you can get all those options. Of course, if you don't want to like pay and you know want to like improve the SEO ranking manually, As I said, you'll need basically to optimize your keywords, put like relevant keyword in your content, hidden URL, and make sure to even on your website, make sure as example to have some high quality content. Like your audience needs an interest should be like your top priority. Like example, this could be a blog post, article, videos, infographics. Make just to use the content like calendar to plan and schedule your post also, and make sure to make your posts in things like high quality and attraction. And other than that, as example, other than SEO ranking, you'll basically, as you saw here in the dashboard, you'll be able to simply utilize your social media as an example, like leverage the social media platforms to drive traffic. So you can even like start a collaboration with someone like a famous person and pay them, of course, unless you know like someone famous. You can like utilize Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and share your content and engage with your audience. Of course, make sure to even build an email list so you can start sending some emails. Leverage online advertising like Google Ads. So you can go to ads.google.com. Make sure to go and basically sign into your account. If you have just a Google account, you'll be able to sign in into it. And make sure to create an ad so it can build or add some traffic to your website. As an example, create some campaigns to build some traffic into it. And of course, engage also in some online communities. Like join online communities and forums related to your niche, participate in discussions, offer some helpful advice, and share your expertise, and include the link to your website in your form, signature, or profile, and this will help build your reputation and drive traffic to your site. And of course, lastly, I guess all the thing that can drive like traffic to your website very fast is simply collaborating with influencers. Like identify influencers who align with your brand and audience. Offer to guest like post on their blog or collaborate on their social media campaign or provide them with your products or services for review. And this can help you tap into their audience and gain more exposure. And yeah, that's it for me today. There you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively promote your GoDaddy website and attract more visitors. So remember to stay consistent, track your results, and adjust your strategies as needed. So stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and goodbye.